just thought I'd just go through and show you how you can apply without the clips. Okay, so I just started section at the front. So again, I'm going to use that as my guide. And again, because it's a full head, we're not just sticking to the roots, so it's not too bad, it's easier. Using the back end of my brush. Just going to part it as I go along. And go down that way. And if you just do it side by side, yeah, section by section, you can still use your straight line without having to put loads of clips in, which can be quite uncomfortable to clients when they've got short hair. Okay, so we're just going to go all the way down the back, just to give us our sections. And then we're going to do a section across the back. And that will give you 4 sections, which you can easily work with then. So you can see we're still going in a straight line. Nice and neat. Okay, so that's gives us our line down there. So we're just going to do the same at the sides now, using the back end of my brush. Yeah, we're just again using them as our guidelines. Still gives us our 4 sections. Straight down to the ear, again, nice and straight. I just mix 15 of the product and 30 of the developer, and obviously I can go back and make more as I'm going along. Okay, I'm just going to spin around. I'm going to do exactly the same on this side now, using the back end of your brush. Yeah, straight line. Again, straight down to the ear. Okay, I'm just going to mix my tint up again, just to make sure it's nice and fresh. Okay, I'm going to start at the back. So again, I'm going to carry on the same application as I did before, and then I'll come back to you. Okay.